Welcome to my channel. Here are 30 easy sentences for beginners. Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. What is your name?
My name is your name. Where are you from?
I am from city country.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you like pizza?
Yes.
I like pizza.
No.
I don't like pizza.
What time is it?
It is 10 o'clock.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
Where is the bathroom?
The bathroom is over there.
I like to read book. I am learning English. Do you have a pen?
Yes, I have a pen.
No, I don't have a pen. This is my friend. I am tired. What is your favorite color? My favorite color, blue. Can I sit here?
Yes, you can sit here.
Thanks for watching my videos.